Hello again, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. This is your instructor, Robin Jeffrey. This is the last video for CGS 114 I'm going to be making. This is for the creating an annotated bibliography assignment, your final assignment for CGS 114. I'm hoping that this is going to be quite a short video. I'm not going to take you through the entire assignment, as that would take quite some time. What I'm really going to focus on is getting the bibliographic citations and annotations out of Zotero and into a Word document. The formatting and all that kind of stuff, I'm assuming that you guys know how to do that on your own. If you're struggling with it or having problems, please feel free to reach out to me. I would highly recommend that you refer to that annotated bibliography example that I've put in the module documents for all of that. This video is really just focusing on, you have Zotero, you have your sources in there. How do you get the sources citations? How do you get those sources citations into a Microsoft Word document? How do you get those annotations for those citations? So you have Zotero open. You will have a lot more sources cited in your folder than I do. I only have 2. You will have many, many more. What you're going to want to do is select all of your sources. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can either just select the first one, hold down the Shift key, and then select the last one. This will select everything in a list. Or you can also just go to File, or excuse me, it's Edit, Select All. That will also select all of them. You're going to right-click and select this Create Bibliography from Items. In this class, I'm asking that you use American Psychology Association or APA style citations. That just makes it easier for me to grade if everyone's using the same style. You need them as bibliography output mode, not citations, bibliography. An output method, you're going to say copy to clipboard. And hit OK. Now, it looks like nothing happened, but trust me, it copied it to your clipboard. Open a Word document. Right-click again. You're going to have all these paste options. You want to do keep source formatting paste. Because what this means is that it keeps this hanging indent. If you had italics, underlines, anything like that, it would keep all of those in there, and you want that. You need that, as a matter of fact. It makes it a correct citation. So here are my citations, full and complete, for my 2 sources. Now, just like every automatic citation making tool, Zotero has done its best. You will want to double check that these are correct. In a course like this, having an absolutely picture-perfect citation is not vital. I mostly want to make sure that you just know how to use the tool and you know how to make it work. But in writing classes, English classes, that is important. And certain teachers and instructors that you're going to have, they're going to be sticklers about it. So it is going to be vital that you understand how to double check these citations and that understand that you need to do that. Purdue OWL, the website that I referenced in the assignment, that's a really great place to go and double check that your APA citation is correct. So you have the citation, but you still need to get your annotation out of Zotero. That couldn't be easier either. Criminal records, notes, here's my citation. You can just highlight it all. You can also right-click, and you see you have your copy-paste things there, so highlight it. You can right-click, or you can just use your keyboard shortcuts, whatever you are more comfortable doing. I like keyboard shortcuts, so I'm just going to hit Control-C for copy, and Control-V for paste. And there it is. Now, like I said, this is not formatted the way it needs to be formatted. I'm not going to go through all of that stuff, but I'll do it again for you. This is my note. Copy. Paste. That's all you need to do. I know it almost seems too simple, but that really is it. Once again, if you have any questions about how to format your annotated bibliography, how to make Zotero give you those citations, how to pull your annotations out, how you need to submit it through Canvas, anything like that at all, please do feel free to watch this video again, rewatch the previous videos that other people have made about Zotero. Feel free to Google for answers. I will always recommend Google as a place to go for tech help. But as always, please feel free to come and ask me for help. That is what I am here for. You can access me via Canvas Messenger, via the Office chat feature, our office hours via chat, via my email, or via phone, however works for you. I'm here for you. You guys are going to do great on this, and I cannot wait to see your final annotated bibliography assignments. All right, good luck.